Hey guys, coming at you with a brand new unboxing video. Hi there. Today this unboxing video, Rudy, please move. I have another box. I don't know who it's from. Totally a real box to me. Cereal Boy. So I'm just going to what's that? Oh my god, it's a balloon of lies. Where is it? There it is. Stand back, Rudy. Gotta get this precise. Ah, there we go. That's the money shot. Yeah, these balloons are full of lies. There we go. Let's just dispose of this. Alright, yeah, Rudy, clean up the mess. Rudy, stop licking me. And, yeah, that's how you, stop a lie balloon from telling you evil lies. I hope this unboxing video was very educational. It seems that this box is evil. So, say your prayers.